Okay, so took apart the windshield recess at the front windshield, and all this corner up in here was filled with urethane. Well, I think it's more of a yeah, I don't know, polyester latex maybe. And so as a result, there's a bit of damage here, but I got it stripped off. There's a section here where the yellow is that got to peel off the last piece of sheet metal and then cut it back to here. So the interesting thing is that right here on the A pillar to the roof and the brace across, there is an available space of about I'd say probably 1 3/4, something like that, that has what, 5/8 of an inch weld on it, like I found earlier and repaired, like down there, where on one side there's 3.5 inches, on the other side there was 1 inch, all the way at the B pillar between the front and rear doors. Pretty shoddy shit, right? Anyways, just a part of the diary. Ciao.